Well, hi there. Welcome once again to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to install Netflix Party extension on the Google Chrome browser. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified of the latest tech tips and tricks videos I upload. Now, please keep in mind this tutorial only work on Google Chrome browser. Yes, I'm talking to you, Firefox user. Okay, to start, open up Google Chrome and search for Netflix Party extension. You should get a similar search result like the one I have on my screen. Click on this link. You are now on the Chrome Web Store. Next, click on Add Extension button and confirm on the pop-up window. The installation process should only take a few seconds. After that, a notification will show up telling you the extension was successfully installed. Notice this little grayed out icon here? Remember it, since we're going to get back to it in a few seconds. Now go ahead and visit Netflix by typing netflix.com into the URL bar. Log in into your account. Select the TV show or movie you'll like to watch. Here I'm just going to pause the video so I don't get into any trouble with Netflix. Now, remember that icon I told you not to forget? Take a look at it. It has been enabled and ready. So go ahead and click on that icon. Notice the option, Only I have control. If checked, this will mean you are the only person in the party who has control over what it's being watched. Think of it as if you were the one with the remote control. Otherwise, everyone in the party will have access to control the movie or TV show being watched. That is totally up to you. Now click on Start the Party. This link given to you is the one you need to share with people you want to watch the show with. So you can go ahead, copy the link and share it away. You can also enable the chat by checking on Show Chat. And there you go, just wait for people to join in and discuss about whatever you're watching. But if you are like me and no one joins in, well, I recommend you first search for a tutorial on how to make some friends. If you liked this, smash that like button. Do you watch Netflix often? What TV show are you following? Do you think you could do something better with your life? Leave your answer in the comments below. Cheers and take care.